Hello there, and well done for taking the first step towards the freedom and security that you desire. But you will be rewarded for this step because you are going to, as was promised, receive 4 free videos, one day after each other. But you're also going to receive a limited offer of 7 fast start videos, which is going to show you how the modern wealthy make their money. And you can do this too. It has changed my life. So I'm 63, on the verge of retirement. And I started getting panicky because I realized that in a year and a half's time, I'm going to receive my last salary check ever. And on top of that, I don't have sufficient funds to support the lifestyle that I'm currently enjoying. I'm living on a beautiful lifestyle farm in the Karoo, South Africa. But this authority marketing system that you're going to be introduced to is cutting edge. It is the very latest way to do business online. And it is something that you might have heard of before. Maybe you've even tried it. But what is unique about this opportunity is that all the heavy lifting has been done for you. And if you don't have smart digital skills or you haven't done business before, worry not, because my mentor, Stuart, is going to very carefully and comprehensively, step by step, guide you towards success. So maybe you're thinking, no, I'm too old for this. I'm not into computers. I don't have anything to invest in my enrichment. Well, I was there. And just let me tell you this, that when you watch these 4 videos, it's going to open your mind to the possibilities out there. And any objections you may have will pale into insignificance when you realize the benefits that you can derive from upskilling yourself. Let me encourage you with this. There are many people on this journey who are already earning 5, 6, 7, even 8-digit incomes. And you can too. So do yourself a favor and watch the first video right away and start enjoying the lifestyle that you wish for.